for everything. Hello, how are you? I wish you're doing great. But guys, please subscribe. Just 6 views for the falafel video. Can you believe this? Anyhow, guys, please subscribe. Please like, which means support us.
Woo.
Okay, so today we're gonna make two
dishes, right?
Right? And what we're gonna make today, Bolchef?
So first we're gonna make the hummus. It's already boiling, and we're gonna make 1, 2, 3.
Tabouli! Tabouli, which means healthy.
Nice. So
Okay.
what is the ingredients?
Alright guys, these are the ingredients for the tabouli, and just keep in mind that we need to have the chickpeas soaked in water for 15 hours, and then after that we put it in pressure cooker for 30 minutes.
Okay, now we start prepping. Oh, wait. Didn't work. Yep. There we go. Okay guys, so now we chop the parsley, and it's gonna be a fine chop. So you keep chopping until it becomes like really tiny. This is very important for me. I do hate the big pieces or big chunks of parsley in my mouth or in my salad. Just keep chopping it until it becomes really fine. Alrighty guys, now for the onion. We cut it in half, and then we cut the bottoms off, clean it, dice it the old-fashioned way, if you do love that way. But if you like the magic way, boom, there you go. Wow, that was fast. And then you can add it to the chopped parsley. Then we're gonna dice the cucumber, also really tiny pieces, as you can see here. Then we're gonna dice the tomatoes, all the same size as you can. It doesn't matter if there's like some pieces are bigger than the other. After all, it's just a salad. We're not looking for cooking it. It's just to have everything kind of the same size.
Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna make the most important part of almost every salad, which is the dressing. We have a juice of 2 lemons, and also we add some olive oil. It depends on how much you like it. I like it a lot, so I put a lot of it. And also we're gonna add the pepper, the white and black pepper, and some salt for taste. And the most important thing is the Zatar. You can find this like in the international food market, or you can just buy the seasoning and you mix it together. I like to put a little bit of it to just give a little bit of taste. We mix it very well together and we leave it for a few seconds. Now I'll add the other essential ingredient of the tabouli, which is the bulgur. After soaking it in a cold water for like at least 10 minutes, I get it, I squeeze it to get the water out of it, and I put it on the top of the tabouli. Now guys, we're gonna make the hummus. After boiling the chickpeas for 30 minutes, we get it very smooth, exactly the way that I'm gonna show you, like this. Yay. And then we're gonna put it in the food processor, and we're gonna add the lemon, the salt, and the tahini. And you should get a good quality of tahini because it's so important. And also we're gonna use half a cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt, and we add white pepper. And I told you why we use white pepper, because it is so good, so good. And also we use 3 cloves of garlic. We put it in the food processor, we hit it, and we forget about it.
Hello again, and now we're gonna peel the garlic. The easiest way I've found is to crush the head of the garlic to your cutting board and then just easily take off all the peelings. Kinda easy. Now you add your garlic into the food processor, and then you add a little bit of olive oil just to blend it together. Then you add your boiled chickpeas, and then you blend. You pour a little bit of the salt, the seasoning, then you add the yogurt. Keep continuing adding the yogurt. Now you're gonna add the tahini, and then you blend. As you can see here, the fluffy chef just brought me the boiled water of the chickpeas, and I keep adding it a little bit just to make it really thin, and just put it on a side bowl. We continue with the rest of the chickpeas, adding the rest of the tahini, the rest of the yogurt, and the seasoning. For the last part, we're gonna put back the hummus in the blender, and we're gonna add the ice to it. Now the ice is very, very good. It's gonna turn it to a blonde or pale color, which is gonna make it look very, very nice.
Folks, I'm gonna tell you the most important thing about hummus, or eating hummus, is the way that we display it and what we use to garnish. So what I do is I spread the hummus on the plate and kind of like make a little circle, as you see right here. Very gentle, very smooth. And yeah, you can see this. It's like a little bit of curvy circle. You can see right here. Yeah, there's heart in the middle, but that means I love you. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the sumac. Also, it's like Mediterranean spices that you can find at any Mediterranean food market, or maybe Indian. Sometimes you find these kind of stuff in there. I sprinkle the sumac in a cross shape just for garnishing, to make it look tasty and good. We put just a little bit. We're done with this. And now we put olives in the middle. It's black olives or any kind of olives, honestly, it doesn't matter. It's just for looking, you know. And as you see, now we got everything. The very last thing we put is the olive oil around it. Woohoo! So good. Yum yum. Yummy yummy. Yummy yummy. Looks good, tastes good. And I'm gonna eat this one. Shh.
Ta-da! Guys, it is honestly very easy, and you saw everything from A to Z. We know that we used everything organic, from parsley to chickpeas to everything else, because that's our goal. We want to know what we're eating, and we want to eat clean so we can help our bodies to function well. And also you can do that as well.
Awesome. Alrighty. Shall we end?
Good job, chef.
Well, good job for you. It's amazing garnish.
You are awesome. You are awesome.
Look at that.
You can dip, you can eat. And guys, don't forget that the garnishing is very important. This is like with hummus. The most important thing is garnishing.
Absolutely. So subscribe, like, share, and enjoy.
Enjoy. Let us know if you have any questions or anything else. Please.
In the comments
subscribe.
below.
Please leave comments. We love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. If you're watching like at the beginning of the day, wonderful day. If at night, have a wonderful night. Bye bye.